Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make beef rendang wrap. I had some leftovers, so we're gonna use them. I really like tortillas from Santa Maria. This time with garlic and herbs. And it has no added sugar, so that's really good. Now let's make this. And I love me some Atjar Tampoer. The Atjar has a little tang to it that I really like. And we're gonna cover the bottom with it. Now our beef rendang. And you know how I made my rendang if you watched my previous video. I will link it in the description and on the top right here. Now some more Atjar Tampoer. Let's fold this into my pocket fold. I really like this folding method. Now it's ready. Let's have a look inside. But you know what's inside? Atjar Tampoer and a delicious beef rendang. Oh yes, another delicious wrap. I'm gonna really enjoy this one. And I know you will too. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my wrap. This beef rendang is absolutely delicious. If you're new, I hope you subscribe to my channel, and if you're an old-time friend, thank you for being here. And as always, see you next time.